Okay, today we are going to talk about how to set unit, dimension and Limex in AutoCAD. Okay, first remove any object being drawn on your screen. Use unit command, that means U and enter. You have drawing units display. Choose architecture if you want to draw in architectural unit. Precision should be 0 feet 0 inch and your insertion scale will be feet. Okay. Press D for dimension style manager, then choose modify. In modify we have to pick primary units tab. Here on you choose architectural once again and precision would be 0 feet 0 inch. Okay. Set current, then close. Now we are heading towards Limex. Limex, enter. Decide your page size or Limex size. It should be according to your plot, according to your plan. I am taking here 50 feet, 50 feet, 50 feet in X and 50 feet in Y. Then press zoom all, Z enter, A enter to display your screen according to your drawing. Control F10.